What's going on YouTube? It's your guy Top Down Kicks back with another video. I got a pair of Air Jordan Retro 3. These bad boys is called the Fire Red Denims. So today we're gonna be scrubbing, washing these bad boys in the washer. We're gonna do a couple ice sessions on the bottoms to make them have that factory look again. And that's all needed for these bad boys. So let's go ahead and slide to the washer, guys. So here we are at the wash machine. We got our cold water, detergent, just a little splash of that bleach, and that's all needed. Here we are, guys. We back from the washer. The shoes are fully dried. If you look closely on the midsole, we have a little stains and gunk left behind that the washer couldn't get out, or a brush couldn't get out. But the icing will. Acetone will also remove most of this, the stains, the gunk, as you can see. But so far, we're gonna need our shoe sauce, razor, apply to the shoe, guys, in circle motions. It don't matter how much you put, just not too much. Honestly, thin coats will do well enough, but for me, I feel like thick coats will last longer for my 10 to 24 hour session icing. The real ones know what I mean by that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying this shoe sauce to the shoe, wrap it down, take it to the ice box. So I'll see you guys when the shoes are finished icing. See you in the next clip. I'm back from the ice machine. I just got done scrubbing and rinsing off the remaining of the shoe sauce that's on the bottom. These bad boys came out good. They just need a little bit more acetone on the front of the toes. But overall, I think I did a great job. Have any questions, just drop a comment. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe. Stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.